Hey Josh, I just wanted to give you an update on the recommendation that you gave me for cutting a hole in the landscape. Number one, thank you, and that worked perfectly. But I did run into some issues, so let me show you what I've got. I was able to cut the hole in the landscape and worked out really well, so you can see. And then but I did put the landscape mask in the advanced setting on the landscape itself, but it turned this whole section black when I reinserted the landscape that I got from Unreal Sensei, and I'll put a link to his YouTube channel below in the video description. But it's kind of complex, the landscape material that he uses, and I couldn't get it to work until I just took the node that you recommended putting into an individual mask. I just put that into the existing landscape material, and then it worked like a charm. So I just wanted to give you an update and let you know, hey, it works great. So thank you.